Crystal here from Crystal's Crazy Corner. Guess what? Mail call. 2 packages. Yay! This first package is from Mr. Justin, Mr. QDL Flights. Go check him out. Wonderful guy. We've had him on the Drone Network. Amazing guy. Into all kinds of things. Drones, RCs. My buddy. Calls me Mama. Hey, nothing wrong with Mama. Love you, baby. But, anyway, if you hadn't seen, which you should have, and if you hadn't been in my lives, which you should have, just saying, you would already know what's in this box. I won QDL's giveaway. First giveaway, 100 subs. Justin, love you, baby. Come on out of the box. And what is it? Hubson, look out, guys. Mama's gonna fly. Well, you already know I fly, but actually, this is my very first GPS bird. And technically, it may end up being the first bird that I ever use the camera on. Because my original bird came with a camera, but it sucked so bad we ended up taking it off. So, I'm gonna open my box. I can't wait to lay eyes on her myself. I'm gonna have to read later. Aw, what have you done now? Thank you, babe. It's absolutely beautiful. Ha! Small transmitter. Perfect for my hands. Hopefully, I can fly. Fingers crossed. Y'all will see. You know how that goes. Something duct taped I will get into. There she is. Looky, looky, looky. Hello. Welcome home. And yes, she will be called Desire. I know, I asked you guys why they were all females, but I don't know. It just fits on this one. But yep, you have now met Desire. She has flown home. Bag of props, goodies. I have to figure that out. Charger, screwdrivers. God help me. Guys, I'm in trouble. Thank God I got this one standing here. You know he'll guide me right. Now, what is in here?
I think he said there was, he said there was some spare motors in here. Upgraded motors, upgradable motors.
Well, you'll be the mod father. You know how that goes. I gotta love the duct tape. Ha.
Oh, the battery.
Aha!
Oh, it's nice and fancy.
Fly. I get to fly. I get to fly. Thank you so much, Justin. And as you guys see, one more time, Hubson Desire has made it home.
Looks like the 501 SS battery, but smaller.
Hey. Oh, gonna hook me up? I know, it'll need to be charged first.
Even left your SD card
Now.
in there.
Aw.
So there's no naked pictures on there.
Oh, Justin, I hope there's no naked pictures on there. I hope you wouldn't do that to Mama.
Nice
What's in
bird.
this one?
Nice and sturdy little bird.
Hmm?
It's like a miniature.
And I know where this
Hudson.
package came from.
501.
This package come from my son. as some of you call him, Baby Justice.
There you go. See that?
Guys, it's official. Got the drone, got the bunny, got the beach, palm tree. If you guys haven't checked out my video, I actually do have a palm tree on my beach, so, and on the back, exactly. You never know what's gonna happen in Crystal's Crazy Corner. That's why you guys keep coming back, because it's always full of surprises, right? Right? Keep you guys guessing. Keep you guys on your toes. Lang Gang. New blue shirt. And as you have seen, blue, supporting autism awareness all month. Remember, everyone, please, please, please support the Lang Gang. Please accept the Autism Awareness Challenge and wear blue the entire month of April. Or at least what is left of it. You guys can do this. It's easy to wear blue. Blue is a beautiful color. Guys, maybe soon you'll see a new video.
Yeah, we'll get it charged up. And
hopefully Mother Nature will cooperate with me some.
yep.
Fingers crossed. Until next time, though,
Let's get the battery charged.
smack that like button. Hopefully you are already a supporter of my channel. If not, make sure you click that button as well. Leave a comment down below if you'd like. I will hit you back. I love you all, and thanks you guys all for all of your support. Have a great afternoon.